I think I was muted, guys. Here we go. Good morning, Keith, Alan, baby, JL, Tim, Yap. Good morning, everybody. It's another week, baby. You know what it is? Monday, April 12th. Guys, look at this. Why is Tesla gapping up? GameStop flat. Oh, GameStop, you're killing me. You guys think we see new highs in the market today? Oh my gosh, Apple, the market Inspire literally hanging in there near the highs on Friday. That's insane. What's going on, GameStonk? I love the name. Fonzo, let's go, baby. It's gapping up because I'm not in it, right? It's just like, nope, we're leaving without you, buddy. But 700 has always been that little resistance there. It tries to flirt with 700, but it doesn't hold above 700. You have all the numbers out there, man, but 700 is that big whole number that we're struggling with slightly. I'm eyeing this like a hawk, man. I want this to come down. Predictions on what Kitty will do. Man, hopefully he exercises them. Hopefully he sells them. What was the poll like? I forgot. I clicked on it like 2 minutes after he tweeted. He tweets always at 3 p.m. Pacific on Sundays, right when futures open. I mean, it's like he has an automation software on there. He probably uses Hootsuite. Let's take a look. 87,000 people voted. Exercised all of them for the win at 73%. He should. He deserves it. Let's see. Let's see what he does this week. Let's see what he does. Xpeng to debut. New smart equipped EV. Poo on a stick right now. Oh my god, we got a minute to market opens. What's up, Victor? Welcome back. What's going on, Tony? You sent me an email. Let me see. Let me check. Let's check my email. I haven't checked it. It says there's a temporary error. Hmm. Look at this BS. Okay, okay. What's going on, Chris? Good morning. Darth, what's going on? All right, let's see. The market opens literally in 37 seconds. Let's see what we got. Guys, there's some Microsoft news too. Ooh, the winner here is Nuance. Literally, I think Microsoft bought the Nuance at $59 a share. What was it, like 16 billion? $16 billion deal for some AI speech recognition company. Man, they want everything. They want a piece of everything. They wanted Discord. A couple weeks ago, they were trying to buy Discord for what, 10 billion? Bill Gates ain't playing around, man. Here we go. That's Market Bell. Tesla's dropping. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Let's bring this bad boy down. Spy. Nasdaq is dumping. Wow. Hmm. Interesting pullback. Game stonk. Is AMC following? 940s. Let's move this here slightly. What's up, Georgie? Money follows the money, right? Follow the big money. The voice of Siri. What's going on, William? What's up with the stock market hopes? Powell seems bullish, man. Powell seems optimistic. Man, the Nasdaq is red. It's red. Guys, we're in for a healthy pullback on SPY. Look at the 4 hour. This is nuts. This is nuts. Can we see new highs today? That's the real question. Are we going to keep on inching higher today? What do you guys think? Microsoft bouncing. Nuance is literally flat. Viacom. What happened with Viacom? All right, they're slightly pushing. GameStop pushing. Let's go. Let's go. Tesla bouncing. I don't want to catch it yet. Let's check Twitter really quick. See if we have any news updates. James, you think we pump again? New highs? I knew Microsoft isn't a meme. AMC's going up. AMC's gonna let's see if AMC follows GameStop today. AMC's at 939. GameStop is at 158. Usually AMC follows GameStop, but there's a slight delay. That's what I'm interested in seeing today. That rhymed. What's going on, Thomas? What's going on, buddy? Welcome back. Good morning. Good morning, Kevin. Welcome back. What's up, Paper Hands? What's up, man? This is him right here. You're watching him live, baby. Tesla bounce. Yeah, Tesla's bouncing off EMA, but again, watch the overall market. Watch the Nasdaq, in which is still red, but it's bouncing as of now. Let's see if Apple is also bouncing. I'm interested to see how the overall index performs today. Let's see. Man, it's there. It's there. Watch the GameStop bounce and then tie it to AMC. Notice how AMC is not bouncing just yet. There might be a slight delay in that, but GameStop is finally moving that market open. This is what we're waiting for. This is what we need, man. We need a green day. We've been getting battered down, man. We need a green day. Green day is coming. There shouldn't be that much of a delay here, William. There should be like a slight delay, but before it used to be like a 30-second stream delay, and then I upgraded my Taco Bell Wi-Fi. I was like, man, I can't have this. All right, watch GameStop. This is what I love to see. This is what we need, man. What a 4 hour. What a 4 hour chart. Guys, Alibaba got hit with the freaking $2.8 billion fine and the stock went up. This does not make sense at all. This is what I mean. The stock market sometimes does not make sense. They got slapped with the 2.8 billion, I think. Where's that freaking article? Where are you at? I guess it's not. Wait, what? This is the right stock? Yeah, 2.8 billion dollar fine by China, and the stock goes up. Honestly, when I saw this article come out over the weekend, I was like, "That's it. This is gonna be a dead cat bounce. This is gonna be a play." And the stock goes up. I guess that means Mr. Jack Ma is alive, right? The market has been suspicious of Jack Ma being dead. He is alive and paying a fine instead. Oh, that's exactly what I was. That's exactly what I was just thinking. You just read my mind, Garden Gnome. Could that mean that people are speculating that he's alive? I think that's what it is. That makes sense. That makes sense. You just confirmed my bias. That means he's alive. GameStop rallying. Is AMC following? Look at this. Watch AMC. There's like a what? I'd say like a 5 minute delay, I guess you can say. Since AMC has been pulling on back since market open and GameStop has been rallying. Wow. I guess the volatility is coming back, guys. Remember those days where we would have GameStop shoot up aggressively, and then vice versa on the pullbacks, it'd be as aggressive on the candles. Look at this red candle down from 163 all the way under EMA at 158. I mean, that's not what we want. Obviously, we don't want these aggressive pullbacks, but I like to see that momentum peaking back, that volatility. I don't like seeing flat, man. Yeah, JL, we saw this type of action for like 2 weeks straight. Rally at market open and then this aggressive red candle. And then we'd struggle here at the blue line at EMA for like an hour or so. And I remember we'd end the stream and then midday it'll either dip more or dip further and it'll reverse. So you have to notice the patterns. And the people who do that I've talked to have been like, man, I want to swing trade GameStop. I want to day trade it. The patterns are they're predictable and they repeat. So watch that. 5 minute delay around that or so. There's just watch that. If you're trading AMC, watch how it relates to GameStop's technicals. But Tesla is not pulling back. It's holding near the 685s. I'm not a buyer here, guys. I'm not a buyer. Did you pull the trigger on Viacom? I have not, and I think we're green today on Viacom. I think I just need to buy, guys. There's like a triple bottom here at 41.32 around that price level. And Discovery is the next one I'm also trying to get my hands on, and it's not pulling back. So this might be the support here, guys, around 40. You know what? You know what? If this stock, I said my there. Okay, if this stock, Discovery and Viacom literally at the same price, if they don't dip under these price levels by today, I think I might pull the trigger. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, SPY's inching higher. Man, stocks only go up. This is nuts. And Tesla is bouncing as well. Apple bouncing, Microsoft bouncing. Nuance, what are you doing? What are you doing? 53, it's not doing anything. Neo. Wow, Neo's it's doing the opposite today of Tesla. All right, we're coming on down under the EMA on Neo, guys. I'd want in on Neo, like I said, under if I could get in at 30, which might be a stretch, that'd be beautiful. And Tesla is pushing up. I'm surprised Neo's not following. GameStop, what are you doing? Testing EMA. Okay, okay, I'll let you do that. Let's go back to SPY really quick. Oh gosh, the market's about to. Oh my God, SPY. I don't feel comfortable. I'm not the CEO of WPF yet. Speaking of WPF, do we have any free stocks on Webull? I doubt it. We have one free stock left. I think that might be the final one for quite a while. Wait, $10 a share for what? WPF? When are we at $10 a share already? Yeah, 10.02. I accepted my Monkitty shirt. I think things are starting about popping. Yeah, I love that shirt. I want to grab something else. I'm kind of confused because I ordered the little banana cat toy from GameStop and the shirt, right? And they refunded me my order. I got an email saying I was refunded, so I was like, okay, maybe they ran out or they sold out. But it's still saying delivered. So I think I just got a free shirt and a free banana with the cat, which is not good at all. That's not good. No bueno. Tesla 690s, man. I feel like Tesla's gonna have one of those banger days where it just rallies. Maybe even 700 today. I don't know. I mean, with the Nasdaq pushing, bouncing, spot trying to hit new highs. You got the banana? I thought I did. It's supposed to get delivered in 8 days on 420, baby. 420, or did that part get canceled? I don't know. I got an email saying it got canceled. Oh my, I forgot. I just reminded myself. Remember that day we did the giveaway for the PS5? How we used that one website and we had to pay like $4, or it was like 299, and then they try to scam me by changing the price to 299, and I clicked buy. I forgot to check if I was charged. These guys, I think these guys just finessed me for like th $300. I forgot to check that. That's ridiculous though. That's not right. It literally said 2.99, and then when you go to checkout, they remove the decimal and it changes it to 299. And I was kind of like off a White Claw, and I didn't even see the decimal disappear. That's ridiculous. All right, Spice pulling back. Man, Tesla keeps on pushing. Who here's holding Tesla? I think it was Nathan. Nathan, are you here? There's a couple of you guys holding Tesla right now. You guys are killing it right now with Tesla. You guys left me behind. I should have held on to my couple shares that I had. I think I had like 30 shares I was day trading with on, what was it, Friday? Yeah. Yeah, I bought at 669. Literally, I bought at the bottom. I did not know that I was gonna be the bottom of the day. 669. Hmm. Victor says he got in at 594. Oh yeah, you have an amazing entry. Yeah, I think you told me that last week, right? 594. I would hold on to those bad boys. Unless you expect a market drop in the coming days or coming months. You guys, we were talking about the VIX on Friday. You guys saw that? You guys remember that? The VIX calls, what was it, June or July? $25 strike for VIX, which was literally at knee lows. Oh, it gapped up right now, but it was a 1620 on Friday pre-market. GameStop pulling back. Uh, I told you once you sold Tesla, I was gonna get legs. Yeah, every time I sell it, it's like a buy. You want to have a trading strategy? Buy immediately after I sell. It's only gonna go up. That was a joke, by the way. I got in Tesla at 380. Ooh. See, I'm jealous. Yeah, I need to call my a US bank and just be like, "Yo, what's up with this?" Yeah, 380. That's crazy. I love that price. Yeah, oil drilling, man. It's look at this. My gosh, what is going on? What was the other meme stock? Nokia, right? Knock. Naked was another one. SOS, you guys were eyeing as well. 560s. RKT, Rocket was another one. Cost, that's the one I'm looking for. Cost. This one also has a slightly died down a bit. Not looking good for Neo here on the oh, excuse me, on the 1 minute. Oh, Tessa. Yeah, I don't know what the volume is on GameStop right now. Ever take a look at Under Armour? I forgot what the ticker was for Under Armour. U something? UA? No, 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 no. Oh yeah, it is UA. 1934. I feel like Under Armour is just one of those, yeah, one of those long-term holds. Like Nike, I don't really see the momentum there for a day trade. I mean, look at the daily. If you got in on May of last year, oh my gosh, $6 was the low, and we're literally at $19 right now. Yeah, there's no play here for a day trade. This has to be a long-term play. Nike ticker is what? NKE, Nike. Yeah. I remember I think I YOLO'd a while back on Nike earnings and I got wrecked. I reminded myself, well, I don't like earnings. SKLZ is another one that also just triggered my alert. Pulling on back, 1636 or 1663. Tesla 694. Oh, the Tesla bulls, man. This is one that I told myself I was not gonna buy here at the double bottom. Why? Because it could come on down to like $13. So just be patient on this one. Tesla 694.80. Neo is doing the opposite of Tesla. We're not bouncing. GameStop, are you still bouncing off 150? I had a feeling, man. I had a feeling I was gonna hit 150. These half-dollar marks are literally magnets on any stock. And for Tesla, that magnet is literally 700, which is not that far off. And I think we might see 700 today. SPY still pushing. 411. Nasdaq still ripping or bouncing. Dipping or ripping? It is still red, but oh my God, Tesla's having a spectacular day. 696. It just keeps on inching higher. New highs are not a meme on Tesla. This article always pops up. Top 20 trending stocks on Wall Street bets. It's like, is there really 20 trending stocks on Wall Street bets? I don't really use Reddit. 20? GameStop lost $7 in just 10 minutes and Ralph stopped talking about it. I don't know what you mean by that, buddy. CNBC says why Americans are eating more snacks. What? Mm, 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 one million voting for GameStop. Why are you betting against Daddy Elon? That's silly. I just want a good entry, man. I'm not even betting against him. I just don't want to pay $696 a share for Tesla. I want lower. I had to leave my Zoom class to watch you stream. Oh, don't do that, Benji. Don't do that. Yeah, I agree with you, Garden Gnome. Sometimes there's no point in watching AMC or GameStop like we did before. Stock would literally just go sideways, while other stocks like Tesla are just running by you. There's opportunity there, and I don't want to miss that anymore, you know? That's why sometimes you have to set alerts. Set alerts too, so you can just bounce back between stocks. GSX, I have not. That's a Chinese company that had some fraud allegations in the past. What do you think of BFLY? Is that Butterfly? I think, if I'm not mistaken, if it's Butterfly. Wait, what was it? BFLY? Uh, yeah, Kathy Wood was loading up on this. ARK was like every day they were buying I don't know how many millions of dollars of Butterfly. I'm sure this is it, right? This is the stock? Because I think you put something else. I think you mistyped the ticker BFLY. No, you didn't. I was my mistake. They were loading up on this before last week too. Yeah, if you haven't signed up for ARK's daily recaps, excuse me, I highly recommend follow the big money. See what they're buying. And this is one of the stocks that they were loading up on. GameStop. Oh, wow. I think I might dip by AMC, guys. What's going on? Actually, no. It's a triple bottom here at $9. If it cracks 9, it could see the next level of support is right around 8. Ah, do I want to dip by this? I kind of do. This is literally stop loss is getting triggered. Huh. But it's following GameStop for sure. GameStop needs to bounce off 150s, man. It cannot afford to come down under 150. Are the walls still here on AMC 905? Yeah, that's so annoying. Oh, I have a feeling this is gonna crack 150, guys. I have a feeling it's not looking too promising here. Balance, balance, baby. Don't crack on me. Don't crack on me. There's a huge wall here of support. Let's see if it holds. Tesla healthy pullback to EMA on the 1 minute. How's my 5? Are you overextended on the 5? Watch the blue line on the 5. Yeah, it's a 688. So literally, this is the way I see it. If you're gonna dip by Tesla, always flip it. Like try to picture it upside down when it's on the upside and say, hey, where's a healthy retracement for a pullback? Exactly when you're expecting a bounce on on Tesla on the 5, you're like, hey, where's a healthy bounce? Where can it bounce to? In this case, it's 688. So what I buy here at 691? Not necessarily. Uh, Check Fubo. Yes, Fubo's one. Actually Fubo has been pretty hot lately for swing trades. I was trying to catch Fubo, my trend line here. Look at this. Look at this being oversold. Fubo from the highs of 63 all the way down to 27. Sometimes I just have to go with my gut and pull the trigger, even if it's paying a higher premium for the price or the stock in this case. It makes sense. Look how much it rebounded all the way to 57. As of now, the 4-hour downtrend is still there. It's still trying to find some support. This was kind of a bull trap here, $20 support, and it bounced to 25, indicating that hey, this might reverse here. This is why you have to cut your losses if it just starts pulling back on you, if it starts going against you. It just stay disciplined and cut your loss. In this case, it could bounce off of 21. It could pull back to 20 and bounce again. I don't think it's a buy here at 21. It's so close to the support level here at 20. Just be very patient. Be very, very patient. I think there was some catalyst on Fubo, right? I think there was a catalyst here. Just be patient. Be very patient. Another one, similar case scenario is Viacom. Oh my God, it's pulling back exactly what we expected. The only reason I'm scared to hop in Viacom and Discovery is if the market pulls on back and we have a healthy retracement on SPY, of course. Once we see this pullback on the overall index, I promise you people are going to get spooked. You're going to see the YouTube videos coming out and the market crashes here, blah, blah, blah. But it's actually going to be a healthy pullback unless there is a crash until we won't know until you'll see blood. You'll see blood. You know when we'll crash. What is considered a crash, by the way? 10 plus I forgot how much percent is considered a crash. Let me see. What do you guys think? Is considered also make sure you watch the technicals. I know people hate on technicals, but technicals are like a self-fulfilling like prophecy type of thing. Is when the market falls 10%. Yes, there we go. Oh, 20%. You guys are saying 20. Google is saying 10. I thought it was 10%. 69%. Let's see. Oh, there we go. My Gmail finally pulled up. Who told me to check my email? I don't have an email here. I do not have an email from anybody. Hmm. Uh, Federal taxes are not due this week. The IRS has extended the deadline to May 17. Oh, that's right. No wonder. Guys, earnings season is literally here. Earnings are right around the corner, and I think the market is pricing in some killer earnings. What do you guys think? I think the market is pricing in some ridiculous killer earnings for Q1. What do you guys think? I think if companies don't step up, I think that's another reason why the market could pull back. I mean, at this price, this is literally ridiculous. This is nuts. GameStop go green tomorrow and get better by 300 by the end of the week. We need a green day. I feel like we've just been seeing red. I remember this is not the right way to drink coffee. Alibaba actually went up. Let me get my coffee mug. Alibaba went up, by the way, after getting slapped with a $2.8 billion fine. And they hit new highs, 242 on the day. This is funny. The stock market. It doesn't make sense. Shoot, GameStop. Guys, the next support level for GameStop is like the 120s. 130s maybe. Hmm. Let's see. Rite Aid has earnings on Thursday. What's Rite Aid's ticker? RTE? RTE? No, RTDE? Or right, I think it's RITE. No. Let's see. It doesn't even have a D. Rad, there you go. Rad. This one was one that actually took a big poo-poo from 24 all the way down to 17. This is the dead cat. This is the money right here on this pullback. Uh, I have a feeling this one might dump into earnings. Let's see. Let's set our alert just in case. Right 8. Okay. Although the volume is crap on the 1 minute. Let's see. U.S. Bank. We have the banks. City Bank, U.S. Bank, Wells Fargo on Wednesday. The banks are up first. Delta Airlines also pulling on back on the 4. Anybody here having holding the airlines? The airlines. Boeing. How's Boeing? Oh, sinking on the 1 minute. Hmm. This one's actually looking interesting. I always miss my chance with Boeing. I'm gonna shoot my shot, baby. Set my alert there. GameStop bouncing. 144. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to see this pull back. Let me get my coffee mug really quick. Sold Tesla at 694, waiting for there's Nathan for another dip under 680 to get back in. Nice call, man. Usually Tesla struggles at 700, but let's see what happens. American Airline puts. Um, okay, it's Delta who has earnings, not American Airlines. I sold my airlines. They were 20% up. Oh, congrats on that. I like seeing the green, man. Roaring Case should tweet right about now. All right, let's see. Let's see if this is a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event with the earnings. All right, I'm gonna get my coffee mug really quick, use the restroom. I'll be right back. Let's see if Tesla bounces. Be back. Tesla, what are you doing? 698. Shit, this is going to 700, man. Oh man, guys, we're finally using the mug Jonathan sent us. Is he here? There's a high chance he's not here. Jonathan Allen. Oh, let's see. AMC broke under 9. I want to catch the. Right, AMC is due for a green day. There's no doubt about that. AMC has been red for the last couple of days. There's gonna be a day where it's gonna bounce aggressively. Technicals, man. I have a feeling it's gonna bounce to like 1050. Let's see if I could get it under nah 880s. Let's see. Let's see. GameStop. Is it following GameStop? Yes, it is. Bounce, baby. Here comes Tesla. 700. 700, man. We did it. Or you guys did it. For those holding long. I'm gonna be toxic. Let's see. Yeah. If I would have held, I was 1,000 profit there. I would have held from Friday. Oh well. Yeah, Dapper or oh, Jonathan's here. Jonathan's here. Jonathan Allen, baby. Oh, but we're using the mug finally. This is sick, man. I appreciate it. Truly do. Forever a piece of history right here. Oh yeah, Tiger, I'm with you on that one. I'm waiting for the bounce, man. I gotta sneeze. Oh, yeah, I have a feeling it's in a slingshot. Oh, Jamer's here somewhere. Let me find him. He's here in the back. Oh, Tesla 702, man. Tesla's a rocket today. We got your boy Jamer here. We got the whole squad, man. Rafiki. There you go. Maybe Tesla will come down. I'm curious to see if Apple hit new highs. The thing with GameStop right now is that it needs to bounce above EMA. We cannot afford to pull back under EMA. Apple not hitting new highs. SPY hanging in there. Hang in there. NASDAQ took a big dump. Notice how there's days where Tesla and NASDAQ are correlated, and today's not one of those days apparently. Very interesting. Neo pulling back or bouncing? It's slightly bouncing. All right, here we go. Sneeze pump. What's going on, Richard? It looks better when it's being used. Absolutely. There. Caesar says there's a Wyco on here that is not coffee. It's 7 in the morning. I don't think so. Market close from Friday. I don't know what you mean by that. AMC is AMC. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out. It's bouncing probably. Yeah, same thing. Same pattern as GameStop. Airbnb introducing new rules aimed at helping to prevent unauthorized parties over the 4th of July. Man, people always have parties anyways, regardless of what the user or the rules say. No gatherings over 10 plus and whatnot. No parties. There's cameras installed. People are still gonna throw parties, man. Which sucks. Let's see. Uh, uh, uh. Alex, stop watching the ads. All right, there we go. GameStop on the 5. I'm pretty sure it's way oversold. Yes, it is. Indeed, it is. 151 EMA on the 5. Let's see that bounce. We need to bounce back to 150 and hold above 150. Rules are made to be broken. Oh, you guys are talking about the SSR rule. Yeah, it's from the previous closing price. So Friday, previous close, it affects the rest of the day and the following day. Make shorts can be only done on upticks. Correct, correct. Let's see. So the SSR should be active on GameStop. Discovery is pulling back, guys, from our alert this morning at 41. I think we did not chase this bad boy at 42.50. So from my understanding, just based off the technicals, I think this might come down to 40 once again. Test that support. 703 on Tesla. Uh, this did not fill the gap. 660s did not fill. Hmm. Coinbase. I forgot about Coinbase. Coinbase is gonna IPO on the 14th on Wednesday. One thing I don't want to do is chase this right off the gate, right at the IPO. ACY. That's a ticker you guys brought up last week or 2 weeks ago. Is this halted? Yes, it is, and it's halted again. This one was getting halted back to back. Yeah, halted on circuit breaker. Was this the one that was running without news? Yeah, it's a direct offering, right? Just because it's faster, if I'm not mistaken. Direct offering. Hey, what is it valued at? Like 90 billion or something like that? You see Coinbase. You're right about that though. I was reading about it over the weekend. Uh, I think the ticker is coin. Coin. Oh my God. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. James says he's chasing it. You're gonna chase it? No, I'd be scared, man. The last IPO I chased was freaking Snapchat. I didn't even chase it. I waited for a dip. Hmm. Speaking of IPO, Roblox. Hmm. Oh, you're right. ACY is bankrupt. Tim says he's chasing too. Roaring Kitty tweeted 7 seconds ago. I caught you guys. I got it before you guys this time. Unfazed, baby. I was chatting with Godpill. I was. Beyond Meat is expanding to Europe. This is old news, right? Yeah, I think it's old news. Oh no, it just came up right now. Expands into Europe. This is the definition of a meme stock. This is a meme stock. Look at that 4 hour. You guys remember the Beyond Meat hype? Oh, I hate this stock. Beyond Meat. This stock gives me nightmares, man. What's up, Andrew? There's a healthy pullback we're talking about on Apple. Was it pulling on back? I wouldn't say this is a healthy pullback just yet. I think it has more room for downside. Let's see. Tesla's dangling in here near the EMA at 701. The real test is here at 700. Is it going to hold 700 or is it going to come on down? Does anyone actually love their products? The Beyond Meat? Maybe the sausage? Oh yeah, Bitcoin was like at 60K, right? I think Bitcoin hit 60K. Bitcoin price 60.1. Yeah, Coinbase IPO is trending on Twitter. Hmm. Burgers are actually not that bad. Tastes like actual meat. Isn't that the whole point? It seems to me like this is the time of day where GameStop slows down. I feel like it's not really ticking. GameStop drops 10% after analyst downgrades to sell. Edward Wu lowers price target from 12 to 10. Uh, BlackBerry Dash, Viacom, Disney, AMC, WTF. No, AMC's following GameStop. Look at the similarity in the patterns. Even for the bounce, they're both struggling at EMA here. Let's see. SOS. No, I'm not touching SOS. Absolutely not. If you're able to catch a momentum or a day trade on SOS, I think you're better off that way than investing. That's just my take. From what I've heard on SOS, it's a complete scam. Selling GameStop for coin, solid play. Depends. My whole portfolio is getting wrecked. Benji, what are you trading? What are you holding? Look at the wider market seems to have taken a big hit and most stocks hammered at the same time. Looks like someone is offloading in a big way. Margin call perhaps. That's exactly what we were speculating on Friday. I mean, Friday we saw this huge jump in SPY into the market close. We saw somebody or quite a bit of people take some ridiculous risks buying those VIX calls, those $25 VIX June or July calls. They're expecting a market pullback, a market crash. We have AMC, we have we have earnings right around the corner, man. Like I said, I think the market is pricing in some ridiculous earnings. And if these stocks fail to deliver and they don't crush earnings, market's gonna be disappointed. There might be a pullback. And with the inflation concerns, tomorrow I believe we have the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, coming on in for March. So I'll also watch that. And I believe that what was for February? February I believe was point 0.4, point 0.4. So if anything comes higher than that, then on the CPI for March, get ready, baby. Those 10-year, the 10-year, what's the 10-year at? The 10-year bond, the 10-year treasury is gonna be bouncing back. Possibly maybe even 1.8%. I don't know. It's at 1.67 right now. So watch that tomorrow. That's a huge key this week. Another market watch article. GameStop stock remains in retreat. Uh, Screw this analyst. To March. $704 new high on Tesla. Are we gonna hold above 700? That's the key. That's the question. On the 5 minute, overbought. Wait for it to come down. I agree with you, James. I'd be really scared. If I'm gonna go in on SOS for a day trade, you best believe I'd have my freaking fingers on my sell hotkeys, get ready to sell right away. I don't trust it. Why is everybody putting question marks AMC? I have an alert here at 886. I have a feeling AMC is gonna rally have a ridiculous rally one day out of the week. It's due for a bounce. It's holding 9, following GameStop. GameStop's pulling back. I agree with you, Star Clouds. When people stop talking about GameStop, AMC, that's when you should start worrying. But I think as long as there's chatter about it, there's hype, I think they're still in play. I think you're able to catch a bounce, catch a day trade, a swing trade. We've covered costs this morning, I believe. There's no volume on there. Why are Viacom and Discovery pulling back so sharp? They were spiking at the market open again, indicating, is this the reversal? Are they going to come up from here? I still wasn't really pulling the trigger. I said if it holds above that, what was it, the 40 level, 41 level today, I might initiate my position. Other than that, they might double bottom, triple bottom here at 40 and come on down. Just, I don't know exactly how the overall market, if it does start to pull back this week, is going to affect Viacom and Discovery. Or who knows what other hedges blow up, what other hedges go underwater this week. That also might affect Viacom and Discovery. Let's see. I agree with you, horse running. I agree with you. ATNF has been a real nice play. ATNF. Okay, I like the volume. I like the momentum here going on the 30 minutes, coming down from the dead here at 591. Oh, oh my gosh, talk about a dead cat. The play is here, man. The play, where was the stock back in November? $1. The play is here. The bounce is here. Am I chasing it here? Am I a buyer here? Absolutely not. Yeah, that's a bounce. It took a while. It took a couple months for it to recover, but hey, it's finally recovering. Such a bad timing for those calls on Viacom. No, the weather's getting TV plays are all gonna Wait, what? TV plays are all gonna tougher? No, the key here is just again, wait for support. I've had the mistake where I jump in too early, I get too excited, and it keeps on pulling back. Top shots, yes. The $1,000 pack for top shots are gonna drop today. Almost guaranteed profit on those. I'm excited for that today. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be it's like a lottery, man. You either get in line and get a pack or you don't. Tesla's not coming on down, guys. Tesla wants a new high. A new high is not a meme for Tesla. Apparently here at 704. How's the Nasdaq? How's the overall market? Are we still pulling up? Nasdaq wants green. Spies reversing here at 411. GameStop wants a double bottom at 140. Mm, mm, mm. No, Costa's not taking. Tesla wants that 750. Yeah, Tesla wants 750. Those whole numbers, half dollar marks. It's like gravity. It's like a magnet. 700. It's holding above 700 nicely. Oh, GameStop. Let's see. I know we don't like Fintel. Fake Tel. Let's see. Let's see what they're showing. Let's pull up GameStop. 200K as of 16 minutes ago. Every time I try to buy Top Shots, they tell me I need to have Top Shots. Wait, what? I didn't understand that message. Yeah, Carlos, they need to hurry up on that Tesla on factory in Texas, a Giga factory. Man, GameStop is dangling here near the lows, 140. It's trying to hold so bad. Is it gonna bounce or is it gonna crack? Seems like it wants to bounce. Yeah, the Top Shot market is also swinging like crazy as well. It reminds me of crypto. Tony Kuko. That's Tesla just hit new highs. That is ridiculous, man. I'm getting regret on selling my shares. FOMO too, but of course, tame that FOMO, man. Yeah, it seems like it wants to come on down under, but it's not. It's not going up. Not going on without a fight. Fight here at 140, bounce to 144. That's what we need right now. Tesla's killing it. Yeah, absolutely. I think we need a WPF pump, man. What do you guys think? WPF pump? If you guys are enjoying the stream, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on the video. It helps out. I can't see the trolls. I can't see the dislikes, man. But I know they come in here. Yeah, James, 1400 on Tesla and a bear market. 4,000 bull case on Tesla by 2025. Chris, what's going on, buddy? You got a free WPF? Let's unpack this bad boy. All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. You guys ready? You guys ready for this? The final one. I'm assuming in the next couple weeks, maybe even months. This might be the final WPF share. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tesla, baby! Ah. All right, that should help out. I think AMC just hit new lows too. 880, 882. Did we hop back in, guys? Did we hop back in AMC here? This bad boy is due for a bounce. Eyesight now, but wait till that moons. I am the father of WPF. That was the final share, guys. The final share. Interesting. On the five, it's still dangling in there at 696, baby. Come on down for me. The vote is the biggest catalyst too. Ay, ay, ay. I kind of want to glance at CNBC, see what they're talking about. Tesla 700. I remember before I started streaming, I would always have CNBC playing or the TD Ameritrade network. Ugh. All right, here it goes. Cracked under 700. Tesla is now under 700. Let's see. Anybody have the volume now on GameStop? What's going on, Will? Roblox. Is Roblox running? I have a feeling it was. It was running when we pulled it up. Let's see, 699 Tesla. Oh, well, no problem, no worries. 5 million? Hmm. Roblox is really running? There's no way. A new high is not a meme. A new high is not a meme on the 4 hour. This is looking promising, man. Will I trade this? Probably not. I'll probably pass on Roblox. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have Roblox here still. 141, 890s, nice bounce.
India has overtaken Brazil as the country with the second most confirmed COVID cases. It's after reporting nearly 169,000 more infections overnight.
Telling you that number, 169,000. It's everywhere. I don't want to hear this. There's another variant, huh? Yeah, that's not right. 27.5 million. That's not what Powell said, baby.
This morning,
Oh,
our
they're
next
talking about the
guest
chip shortage,
says
guys.
the shortage, as it is right now, is one of the worst he's seen in his 4 decades in the business. Ganesh Murthy joins us, CEO at Microchip Technology. Ganesh, thanks for the insights today. Great to see you.
Good morning,
Neil's breaking
everyone. How are you?
support. Where'd that go?
Doing well. I want to talk about the inputs you think the White House is after for the medium term and the long term, but I wonder if you can just talk about that comment about the short term. The worst you've seen in 40 years?
Absolutely. I think the imbalance between supply and demand has never been this acute in all my history in this industry. And it's continued to get worse over the last 6 months. It's the rate at which new orders are coming in and demand seems to be increasing is outpacing the capacity that we can bring on board. So clearly a constraint we're going to see through this year, most likely into next year.
So you've obviously been through so many cycles, and I wonder that point at which demand returns and supply catches up, what has broken down this time? What makes it so different? Is it the sheer force of the demand's return, or are chinks in the supply side?
While they talk, Neil just broke support, guys. Neil just dumped 36.87. The price I'm willing to get in on this is right around, initiate position right at 32 and add under 32 if it dips down to 30. When your alert goes off, I think it's mine. Yeah, Neil is really testing right now. It's literally doing the opposite of Tesla today. 699 for Tesla. It does not want to come down under. GameStop sell 142. AMC's following GameStop, like we talked about. For those of you guys wondering, GameStop and AMC are pretty much trading similarly. Let's see what he continues on to say.
From all the way from 2019 into 2020. But as all that slowdown happened, manufacturers like us could not get a demand signal from our customers that gave us enough warning to get started. And so all of us leaned out our inventories. We started to idle some of our factories to run less than what they could normally do. And fast forward, here we are. And it takes 6 months of cycle time from when we say go to when we can begin to have production in full force. And that started about September of last year.
All right. I know you're not going to be at today's summit, but if you were at the table and you were asked by somebody, what do we do to make sure this never happens again? What's the answer?
So I think there are 2 separate issues. I don't think today's summit, at least to my knowledge, has much of an effect on 2021 and 2022. These are just, supply-demand imbalances from normal economic cycles that have been taking place here. Nothing that the summit is going to talk about today, I believe, will affect 2021 and 2022. I think where the summit does, in fact, have a value to spend time on is, what are the policy initiatives that are going to be important to support a stronger semiconductor manufacturing infrastructure in the U.S. in the medium to long term? And, semiconductors are the foundation for our digital economy. So much of what we do depends on them. And both for economic reasons and for national security reasons, it behooves the U.S. government to ensure that the long-term strength and resilience of the American domestic semiconductor industry, both research and development and manufacturing capability are there.
Right, but that takes
this
a long time.
This can be done through policy initiatives.
That takes a long time, doesn't it? How many years are we talking about here until we could actually get to a point that you're describing, if in fact we went down that path?
I think government initiatives, as far as R&D initiatives, can probably happen in the next 1 to 2 years. I think really manufacturing, which is what the biggest issue here is probably at least 3 years away from when we say go at a government level, just something that comes out of it as a result from an industry level.
Yeah, Ganesh, I mean, you just hit on such a key point. I realize Microchip is one of the largest suppliers of semis to the aerospace and defense sector. So you know a little something about this idea of national security. I remember speaking to your predecessor, Steve Sanghi, back in December 2019 at the Reagan National Defense Forum, and he was talking about concerns around hacking, counterfeit parts, some of the other issues that become a security discussion. To your point, how much do you think can actually be built domestically, especially when you are talking about something like defense? How much can your company engage in that?
So we already build a fair amount of it in the U.S. for the defense part of our business. We have other proposals we have made which can allow us to do more for the defense industry. We have a fair amount of manufacturing in-house and some of it within the U.S. as well. There is opportunity to do more, but it has taken a long time to get there. Obviously, there are semiconductors of many flavors that are made. Not all of it can be done in the U.S. Some of it, the infrastructure does reside overseas. But I think a lot more can be done. And there are proposals that are, have been waiting for decisions.
I know Chuck Robbins of Cisco said a couple of weeks ago that in his view, this shortage, as we've been discussing it, is probably going to last a couple of years just because the demand is so strong and we'll have to work our way through. Does that kind of timeline sound about right to you, that this is a story that will last, say, 6 to 8 quarters at least?
I believe that is about the right order of when this thing will try and correct itself.
Let's see. Board. I want Neil so bad. It's 36.86. I remember trying to buy Neil at these prices months ago. Literally back in when? Like November, December. I have my trend lines here too, and I never caught that. I never caught it. I never really felt comfortable chasing it. Now that it's coming down, chip shortage, triple bottom technicals here at 34. Man, I think it's gonna come on down, guys. What do you guys think? INKW. I mean, but Neil had some ridiculous, stunning delivery numbers. And I think they just broke 100K too. Elon even tweeted at them. The 100K production numbers. Let's see. Oh no. INKW, I would stay away. 100%. I got in at 60. When was this? 60. What was the high? 60 something, right? 66. What was your plan? That's what I'm trying to get to. Like, what was your thesis getting in at 60 on Neo? You couldn't help yourself? I don't, man. I love the pennies, but you gotta remember the penny stocks for a reason. Oh, GameStop 139. Are you kidding me? Currently on break. Zom is down horrible. Oh, I would avoid this 100%. I think we brought this one up like a week and a half ago. I was like, absolutely not would I ever buy Zom. The 1 minute. First of all, barcode city. That's my biggest red flag. Barcoding. I don't know the financials behind this company, and it doesn't look good. I think it might go under one. What is my entry on Neo? I'd initiate right around 30, 32. Those are the prices. AMC is seven. No, it's not 7.75. I thought it was $8. Yeah, it's following GameStop closely. With GameStop pulling back to new lows, AMC is following along as well. This guy has no credibility. Why are you listening to him? Hey, buddy, you're here watching me, man. I made 20,000 on Zom. You bought at 5. See, that's before if you can get in at those prices and just buy the rumor, sell the news. Oh my God, you got in. You got in before everybody. When did you lock in prices? I mean, lock in profits. I'm curious on that. See, that's like a sundial play right there. You buy in the pennies and you sell at the dollars. You buy in when it's under $1 and you sell when it's on trending on Wall Street bets and it opens up at $4.
NBC.com. More Squawk on the Street ahead.
Eh. What did you get your degree? I don't have a degree, buddy. What was his opinion on Nuance? I forgot. Let's see. They got bought out for 16 something billion at 59, and it's still grading up 16% after this ridiculous gap up here. But on the 1 minute, just looking for market open till now, it's poo poo for a day trade. I think Microsoft was even pulling back. SPY dropping. Market's coming down. Nasdaq is dropping aggressively, guys. Apple. Take a look at Microsoft, Facebook falling as well. Netflix, 551. Let's see. AMC was 872. GameStop 139. Tesla pulling on back. CNBC's back.
This new budget provides a workaround to the SALT deduction cap that could help hedge funders, private equity, and
I don't want to hear this. Bloomberg put out an article that Redditors would get bored. I don't know. I think, yeah, I agree. They're relentless. There's a lot of apes out there. Let's see. Oh, Gary 120. I don't know. It might be. I don't know. Someone might be dumping. We won't know until a couple days from now. Let's see. It's literally now impossible to get a PlayStation 5. Short collapse, that was exciting. Gary Black, man, he's a huge Tesla bull, but he's been really shilling on GameStop. Says the real fair value is $40. No license or degrees, gives advice. Go give your money to Archegos, man. That's where you need to go, buddy. That's where you need to go give your money to. You bought 5 PS5s accidentally, keep them, man. They're gonna go up in value like crazy. You'll probably be able to resell them for $1,000, maybe. You'll probably make like 2,500 profit. Let's see. I have a master's in Arby's, man. I don't like CNBC. They're boring me right now. Oh, GameStop is holding support at 139. AMC still hitting new lows. There is no such thing as WPF gift cards. Bill Wang was a legend. I was reading up on him, man. I didn't know he was here in Pasadena. He was local. He was like very spiritual, very religious too. He's like Kathy Wood. He would invest in companies that he believed that God would approve and that would progress humanity, like Google and whatnot. And he blew up. I think he'll be back. He will be back. He's gonna come back. I think he had a couple other incidents and where he blew up like three other times, and he got caught with fraud back in the day. That's my question. How did this guy get approved? Yeah, that guy has a taste for risk. Wang was a really Wall Street. He's an OG. He had intense high risk and high leverage. Yes, that's what they were talking about him. That guy had some crazy. I don't even want to say here on YouTube, but man, that guy, casino like mindset. Do I own any AMC stock? No. Rafiki holds a doctorate in chair pumps. Are you still debating getting back into AMC? Like I said in the video, guys, I'll buy back an AMC when the price is right. Brian, there's a lot of downvotes because I sold my AMC. I like investing in only in futuristic stuff. Imagine saying Zom's financials suck, yet still holding on to GameStop. Ralph has two brain cells. Yeah, man, two brain cells, and they're fighting right now. I mean, I don't know about you, man, but Zom looks kind of poo-poo. And when did I ever say I'm investing in GameStop? Investing and trading are two different things, man. There's a lot of haters today, huh? Yeah. No. If I get back in, I'm not doing options. I'm doing shares, baby. I know, God Pill and whatnot, the options, the $40 strike calls on AMC that expire on the 23rd, I believe, a week from now. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I love the guy, but my guy is just telling me no. I appreciate that, Thomas. Yeah, baby. To the haters, man. They're probably wondering why is this guy still here? I'm not, I'm not leaving, baby. I ain't going anywhere. God pulls a psychopath. No, I like the guy. I like the guy. Um, but I don't know how I feel about his thesis. First of all, I consider that somewhat manipulation. I don't know how legal that is. It's like it's really a cult, honestly, and I told myself I wouldn't do options. I've lost a lot of money on options, and it's just my gut's telling me, man, like you've lost, you've already told yourself you won't do options. If doing options is the case, I already know what I'm going to get myself into, especially on AMC. So I don't know. I don't think I'll do it. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving you guys. They hate us because they ain't us. Guys, I'm not going anywhere. I was here on YouTube before this whole AMC GameStop crap. I was here making videos. I was already trading stocks. I was already married to Tessa. Of course, it doesn't let me back. And I'll be here after this whole thing. I ain't going anywhere. Ain't ain't us. Oh, you guys are funny. Is the Nasdaq bouncing or are we still selling off? Oh, we're bouncing. SPY bouncing, yes. Apple, Microsoft, Nuance 53. Oh, if Tesla is your wife, who's your wife's boyfriend? Neo. Smiley, I know I haven't posted a video on this channel for a while, around a week or so. I've just made live streams, but I'll work on a video possibly out by tonight. Just talking about GameStop, Tesla, Viacom, Discovery, Alibaba, new everything. I'll bring it all for you guys. And I don't know if, like I said, like a week ago, so before I sold my AMC, I was trying to make possibly 3 videos a week, maybe 2 videos a week, and just make them dense, really info packed. How much is the Lucid Air again? Like 70K, I think. Lucid Air price 69,000. 69,900. I started off getting a little shade mentioned on the review dork. I like him, review dork. He's also deep in AMC. You gotta keep in mind they're gonna be slightly biased. If you're deep in AMC, of course you're gonna hate anybody who speaks against that, you know? But review dork wasn't biased. He saw both sides of the coin. I subscribed to him. I like the guy. Uh, yeah, that's the next. When the first deliveries start coming out for CCIV, you should see and expect a bump in the price. The price should start bouncing. We should start seeing a pop. That's what I'm waiting for. 139 GameStop. Seems to me like we're not done bleeding yet. Where's the bounce at, man? Where's the bounce at on the 5? We're not moving. Arby's and bananas. That's not a good combo, is it? When do the CCIV cars get delivered? I believe it should be before summer, if I'm not mistaken. The website said spring. Let's see if they changed that. There's a ton of conspiracy theories, man, about the whole Belfort and whatnot. Frankly, honestly, I don't think there was a first interview. I'm being honest. I don't think there was a first interview. It's like I'm almost sure there wasn't a first interview. Honestly, Lucid looks to potentially have the best EV. I don't know, man. Xpeng has some pretty sick vehicles. We talked about the doors, the butterfly doors on Friday. You can never go wrong with the Tesla. Austin Martin. I thought he said Austin Martin truck. Yeah, Belfort. I love the guy. I think he's an spectacular salesman, but where I don't agree with him is obviously his values, his morals. He stole a lot of money from people, and I think he did steal Trey's money, absolutely. But it doesn't make sense how he was tweeting about AMC and whatnot, the meme stocks, and he goes on and says this. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. But he does make some pretty valid points of bear markets, but uh it was definitely not worth 10K. Is Neil bouncing? Yes. Oh, what a morning. Let me set my alert. Keep this one on like a hawk. Watching this bad boy. I'm gonna set my alerts just in case. I'm curious to see how Alibaba has done. Oh man. All right, here we go. Seems to me like we're balancing. Let me set my alert. All right, there we go. I think we're gonna end it here, guys. Of course, we will be back power hour. I'm gonna work on a video for you guys. We're gonna have a video today. I got 5K waiting until yo. Ragnar, what are you gonna wait for? Bloodbath today. The market, the whole entire market is due for a pullback. Healthy retracement. But if you guys are new and find any value on these live streams, make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like. I'm gonna be back power hour, guys. Hopefully you guys hanging in there, man. GameStop, we need a bounce. We're oversold today, down 10%. Still waiting for AMC as well. AMC is gonna follow GameStop. Let me have my alerts on AMC too. Let me set these alerts just in case we pull back. 863. The only thing I'm worried about is the how close it is to 850s. These half-dollar marks are magnets on these stocks. So let's wait and see. I'll see you guys later though. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you guys come back. I'll see you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning on in. Peace out, people. For Tesla, I'm not buying here. I'm not buying here, guys. Maybe a dip buy if we see a dip to like 690s. Other than that, let's wait for it to pull on back.